Hello, hello. As we said in the previous live, we have made the MCP connection extremely seamless. So that's what we're gonna be covering in this stream. Like mainly that and a couple of bug fixes. Like progress was a bit slower today, but this feature hopefully will make the MCP more accessible. Uh, you can even use it in Claude Mobile, so you'll have execution on your mobile device. You can use it everywhere because it's extremely easy. We'll have a rundown of how it's used in a bit. So, in the previous version of the MCP, you had to do something like this. Like you had to find the Claude config JSON file and go and generate an API key and add all of this. But in this version, it's different. It's much easier. It's very accessible and everyone can do it. Just like open Claude. This is Claude Code Desktop or even the online version. It's the same thing. Go to Customize, Connectors, uh, click Add Connector, Add Custom Connector. We can't integrate directly into Claude, like we can't add it here because they don't allow crypto connectors, but you can add it as a custom connector. Let's do Noya Agent MCP. You can name it whatever. As for the URL, it's https agent api.noya/mcp. It's now here and we can click connect. Clicking connect takes us here. It opened this page. Let's say I don't have an account. Let's say I'm starting fresh. Let's say it's a fresh session. It will show us this page. Can press connect. Let's use my Discord, or let me do it off screen so I can connect my Google account. Okay, I connected my Google account. And now it shows this page. If I press approve, like you can read through it, it's just Claude asking for permission to use my wallet. And if my wallet isn't delegated, this will show an option to delegate because you can't execute unless the wallet is delegated. Let's hit approve and see what happens. Okay, it takes us back into Claude Mobile, Claude Desktop, and now we have all of these tools. Like you can skip all of this, just like it's all based on the UI. We add a URL and we hit connect. That's it. Like it can't get any simpler than that, to be honest. Let's get to this. Okay. Now we have access to all of our tools, like 112 tools for read and 26 write tools. Okay, let's try something out. Orders, yeah, for example. Let's see the tools it used. Try to search for a tool. Yeah, I don't have any. Which is because this is a fresh wallet, so I don't have any limitless orders. Let's try to tell Claude to do something fun. Useful. MCP. The previous way of doing this with the agent, still works, by the way. So if you are a power user and want to use like multiple ways, you want to use it with connectors that don't support the OAuth way, you can still use this. This is not deprecated, and it will always be supported. But this is just for making it easier, like doing it through the customized UI way. Let's see what tools it's using. It's pulling from CoinGecko. It's pulling. It's pulling from the Noya data analysis, token analysis, which is right here, token grades. It's pulling from here. If I didn't say it earlier, all of this data, token grades and agent.noya polymarket, all of this data is integrated into the agent, so it's aware of everything. After it fetching all of this data, it will like what's very nice about this tool is it aggregates and analyzes the entire data. Like look how many tools it has used. It's aggregating many sources of data for it to give a final analysis. You don't get that with normal search. Imagine like the agent does best token to buy. That's what Claude usually does. It does this and reads the top articles. That's what usually happens. But with Noya's MCP, it studies the entire market, and it has all of the tools it needs to do that. And on top of that, it has execution tools, like it can execute for you. It has Aave. I told us to buy Aave, which makes sense. Aave is a great protocol. The setup actually look interesting. Okay, let's see what I have in my portfolio, and let's see if we can swap it to Aave. What tokens do I have in my portfolio? By the way, you have full custody over this wallet. If that isn't clear, if I go into my agent profile, I can export my private key from here. I can export embedded wallet. I can export it, take it away. I can either copy the phrase or copy the key. And if I don't want to do that and I just don't want the agent to do anything with my wallet, I can revoke delegation here. Let's see what it does. Arbitrum. Let's see if I can swap my USDT on Arbitrum to Aave. I'm not sure Aave is available on Arbitrum, but we'll see. It makes sense for it to say this. Like I have way too little for the swap to make sense, but it's just for testing, so we'll go through with it. Let's see what's the issue here. Like it didn't even try. Just told me. Let's see if I have something wrong in my configuration. Connectors. Weird. Just try always out allow. Check projects. It's just hallucinating. Let's go to another chat and try again. USDT. Okay. Okay. Yes. Because it has access to the tool, it can use it. It used it earlier, but the AI sometimes hallucinates. It's fine. You can always create a new chart. That's what's nice about like this being AI, not a hard-coded thing. So USDT on Arbitrum is not directly USDT, it's a bridge token, so it has some issues finding it, but it tried multiple ways to find the address of it so it can execute the swap successfully. Like it tried to check by searching USDT using agent. So then it tried on CoinGecko and it didn't find the address because it won't, because it's not USDT, it's bridged just. Want me to go ahead? Yes. Let's see. So great, but it does not have enough ETH. It's fine. You get the point. My wallet isn't funded enough, but it's fine. Uh, let's see if we can send some. See if I have anything on Arbitrum. Hmm. Seems like I'm stuck. It's fine. We'll do a bit more digging in the next stream. This was mainly to showcase like the capabilities of the or the ease of connection of the Noya Agent MCP using the custom connector we have created. As I said, the previous flow of adding it here still works, but it takes a bit more work. Some people prefer it. For now, the Noya Agent MCP is easily accessible through here or through the Claude AI app. It works, mobile app. It works through both, with both. And yeah, that's gonna be everything for today. Hopefully tomorrow we're gonna have more updates. will I'll fund my wallet a bit more so we do a bit more testing. Thank you all. Have a lovely evening.